Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today we will discuss how to adjust your eBay inventory. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of the screen, and then you can go to all your listings and open active ones, but I will proceed with drafts. Find the listing you want to adjust and tap on the item to open listing summary. So here scroll down to the section pricing, and here you should see the option quantity. So here it is, quantity, and here you can update the number of items you currently have in stock. So for example, if you have sold items outside eBay, or in contrast found additional stock, adjust the number accordingly. For example, set new quantity and then tap done button to save all changes. And also repeat this process for any other listings if you need to update. To keep your inventory accurate. Eventually check your inventory regularly through the, as I showed you earlier, selling section and then active listings, to stay on top of stock levels and avoid overselling. So that's basically how you can adjust your eBay inventory on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.